things? That's the question. What are they? Well, they're a really large enclosed mobility scooter. That's what they are. There are rules on them? No, it doesn't matter if we're talking about Daymac, the Ecolo. There's no rules saying you can or you can't ride these. Now, we'll do another clip on this, but not this one, but a smaller one was approved as a medical device in the court system. So has there been issues with this? Yeah, they definitely are controversial. They're new, they're weird. What the hell are they? They should be on the road. They're supported. They're not supported. You know what? At the end of the day, when someone needs one of these for their life because they've had a stroke or whatever the circumstances are, this changes their life. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So as long as like everything is driven respectfully, they're limited to 30 kilometers an hour. There is a pilot program. There's urban mobility. It's all happening. But yeah, so the question is, what are they? Well, yeah, they're an extra large enclosed mobility scooter, and that's what they are right now. That's what they're deemed. Will things change? Maybe, probably. It really depends on where you live as well. Some communities, these are absolutely welcomed. And then sometimes you just get a bad cop on a bad day. But you do have paperwork that supports it. And so, like I said, we won't tell you, yes, these are 100% legal. We're going to tell you exactly what it is. There's no red, black, and white saying it is or it isn't. Some communities allow golf carts. Some communities allow ATVs on the road. So we always recommend contacting your local municipality and ask them. Right? That's literally how it goes. So that's the facts. We're not going to sell you something and say this is something it's not. I compare this to the horse, like the cars with the horse and buggy. I feel like this is kind of what it is because this is really urban mobility, and that's how I like to classify it, because you don't have to be disabled to drive one of these or get one of these. There's no rules like that. And the fundamental thing about it is that everyone is entitled and has the right to transportation, right? Yeah. So there you go. That's my take on it. Let us know what you think. Since you guys are all buying this from all over North America, hello Indiana, Minnesota, Florida, California, just have it out there. This is why people buy these from us without even sitting in it. So we're going to do all the dimensions. So the Ecolo Connect, the seat is all the way back. Measurements from the seat to where your knees would go, 19 inches. Seat to the highest part of the ceiling, oh, what is that?
38.5.
Okay,
39.
and then we have a little bit, then we got, if your head fits here, you get another 1/4 of an inch. Width of the seat, 14 inches. At the front, about 16 inches. 16 inches from back to front. Height of the seat, 28 inches. Now let's say your seat is more upright, right? Because I think that's more of a natural seating position.
2 feet.
2 feet. And then to the top,
34.
okay, pretty good. Now, if the seat is all the way to the front, so if you're shorty short, what is that?
10 inches.
10 inches.
15. 2 feet, 24 inches.
24 inches. And then look at the back here. So the seat height, 16 inches.
Yep.
Seat depth, 18. Width, about 30. So you can definitely fit 2 people back here. Now, I'm 5'3". This is not where I would have this. So I'm going to put this to where I'm comfortable. So my leg length is 22 inches. My seat to my head is
32.
32. And yes, my butt comes off this a little bit, but it's still comfortable. Now when we shut the door, width inside, so this slimmest area is 27.5 inches. So that's your elbow room, 27.5. We know the height, 5 feet. Length is, we know is, I think 90. Is that at the front? Yeah, it is 90. Width of the car. Let's go from the widest point from here to here. 39, 40 inches. Same, but with mirror to mirror, 52. I think that covers all that. So there's your dimensions. All right, so the question we have on a daily, do you pick the Ecolo Connect or do you pick the Nexa? This one's bigger and this one's a little smaller. Here's the similarities. They are 4 wheels, AC, heat, power windows, power locks, remote start, key start, same size tires, same braking, same suspension. There's about a $3,000 difference between the two of them. However, this one we can ship across North America. Double sealed. No, this one's not double sealed, but this actually comes in the door more. It's nice and flush. Just don't have as much elbow space in this one, but there's not as much space here. You can still squeeze 2 people back here. You can fit 2 people back here. So if we go to the Nexa, door opens just as wide. You've got, what is it? Like 10, 12 more inches of space. So this is what I'm talking about. See how much space there is here? So this one has a swivel seat and that's kind of nice. Yeah, so that's the question. Which one do you get? I would encourage you to go with the Connect more, just based on affordability, more accepted on sidewalks, and a little better distance. But like I said, this is the Cadillac. I hope that helps.